Assalamu alaikum. In Tag Manager, I am having an issue. You can see container quality need attention. Some issues are detected, they need your attention. So let's see how to fix it. Some of your pages are not tagged. So how to fix it? Click on the untagged pages. Then you can see your all tags are here shown. Now first see, is this untagged URL are valid. If you're not using this URL and it's not available in your website or removed from your website, then ignore it. Okay, and if your URL is valid and working and you need this, then this you need to tag it. So all of these I need, and this is all valid URL. So how to tag it? So first we will go one by one. First let's go to not tag, then select the last one, then here go to this icon, tag icon, then click here, then connect. Then here wait a few seconds. Okay, wait a few seconds. Now you can see here is a pop-up showing tag assisted connected. Now close this, continue, and click on the point icon, and here is the cross icon. Click it and stop debugging. Click here. Now cross this. This will be tagged in a few minutes. Wait few minutes, then refresh the page. Let's see here. What is this? This was Poidagor 810 luxury man watch. Here is 9 not tag. So wait a few minutes and refresh. Let's refresh it. Go to view issues, see untagged. Here you can see now it is 8, and that Poidagor 810 luxury man is tagged. So this is how you can fix this issue.